What's up, guys? In today's video, we're doing the Broke AF challenge once again, but we're trying to get 20,000 nuts and bolts. Okay, let's go. So, of course, we always start out with 100. Buy this. A flashlight. Buy 2 sticks. I'm actually gonna buy one right here too. But for right now, I have to put that in there because we are going. Crap. Okay, now I can take that extra stick out. Let's go. I don't see any gold. Oh, right here. Oh, small piece. My stick broke. Oh my god, that was close. Okay, this one. Okay, the other stick. Oh. No, no. Crap. Ow. I gotta go. Okay, he barely did any damage though, so. Rock monster. Oh crap! Sorry, I gotta get this right now. Ah! No, my stick! Okay, I'm gonna use the rest of the hits to get back home. Okay, where's the stick? Where's the stick? Where's it? Give me that. No, okay. Phew. Okay, we're at 246. Okay, that was not good because both of them were on me and I couldn't avoid them. So. $300 or $400. Okay. Let's buy a crowbar. Oh, and we don't have enough. Crap. Okay, let's go. Let's go back to the mines. This time, let's go to the magma place. Okay, let's try there. Probably gonna be real risky because of the anglerfish, but it's worth it. It's really worth it. Crap. I'm on top! I'm on top! I get hit by him one more time, I'm dead. Stupid shield. Of course he spawns right there. Like, what the heck, bro? I think I should dip. I'm gonna get out of here. I'm gonna go get some gold. Try not to get hit by the lava. Oh my god. I'm so close. Okay. I might just have to sit here and wait for my health. But let's just try to get where there's not that many mobs. Oh my gosh. Yay! What the? No. Okay, let's go. Now, come on. Oh, so weird. I don't need that or the gold. But if I get hit by the rock monster once, I'll be dead. So I just need to look out for him. But he is pretty easy to do. So. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, actually, I'm gonna head back. What? There's no way. I just died. And he's hovering over my body. Oh, he's probably gonna take my body. 5, 2, 3, 6, 2. Actually, I just need 2 so I can hold. Come on, look at it. I'm gonna kill the spider. Stupid, goopid spider. Yeah, so it did take my body. Go for the 6. Yeah. Oh, my body. That means I lost a life. I have only 2 more lives left. Revolver ammo? I don't even have a revolver. If this was a normal server, I would. But, okay, let's go. Ooh, but there's a lot of gold here. I'm gonna mine it first. Okay, there we go. And let's go. Drop these. Holy hell, I almost started selling for no reason. Yeah, you get back in there. Go. Oh! What? Okay, that's OP. That's literally like one Haunted Mansion run. Okay, let's get this. Upgrade our bag. Let's get a pickaxe. And we have enough. And let's get a grappler. Okay, now we can stay a lot longer. And also, I'm gonna buy an MRE. Just so I don't die. But I hate the nun. I've said this in every single video, so oh god. It's really annoying, the nun. She's really annoying, the nun. That's what I meant to say. Okay. Himself. Wait, is that a lava ore just right there? Oh, 2! Okay, here we go. Come on. I'll go kill the angler real quick. What the heck? Okay, I got him. He's dead. Toasted. So that doesn't despawn. Okay. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put this back in. Ow. I set my VR. Oh my gosh! I got a research point. Whoa! Holy crap. Bro, why is my game lagging? When's that angler gonna respawn? I think it's gonna respawn here. Cause I just don't want it in the cave. Oh, it already respawned? Okay, I know. I thought silver was its... Oh, I underestimated it. It fooled me. I'm hitting your antenna! I'm hitting your antenna! I'm hitting your antenna! Huh? How do you like that? That's what you get for killing me when I first got the game, bro. Just payback, bro. I'm gonna keep killing you with a pickaxe to show that you're weak. I don't need a shotgun anymore. No! But I can die. My new biggest enemy is lava. Lava was the reason I died last time too. Better not be the same reason. Okay, I need to beat that MI. Okay. Oh crap. Oh, I already got back. I'm already back to low health again, bro. What the heck? Oh, stupid effect. I think the angler's alive now. Yep, I knew it. Oh, he looks so... Why is he so close to me? Why was he so close to me? That was a real big back one. My backpack's full. Okay. And I have a tax fraud unlocked on the tech web, so that's great. And the angler's killed, so that's great. Okay, let's go. Go. Holy crap, bro. Okay, light it up for good luck. See how much we get. Okay, put that back in. Okay. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Please. Oh! 14,000. We just need 3K more. Easy. It's gonna be an easy challenge already, bro. Already 27K. I mean, 17K. Okay. Boom. Okay, she's haunting me again. I'm gonna have to leave and rejoin. Okay, here we go. Wait! Oh, it just took away all my stuff. No! Now I have to buy all of it back. That's gonna be a good dent, though. Crap. That was bad. That's the one thing I don't. That's the one reason I don't like broke AF. So you lose all your stuff when you leave. I mean, when you leave like the actual code, you lose all your stuff. But when you like leave the game, you lose all your money. That's weird. She didn't haunt me. She didn't even appear. The online glitched. Oh. Oh, he's right there. He's attracted to the light, bro. Why does the Angular have so much health? Oh crap. Here he comes. The big tough one. Also known as Deadly. I call this guy Angie. I call this guy Angie because he's always angry and rhymes with anglerfish. So well, I think right now he's pretty hangry. Hangry for me. Ow! Okay, I thought that was an ore. Okay, right here. There's already some ore spawn back. Big back, what's up? That's what you get for jump scaring me. God, you took the heart out of my soul. You took the soul out of my body for a second there, Angular. Really pissed me off. Okay, let's head back. I hope this gives me 6,000 or 5,500. Oh, come on. Bruh. This guy stinks. No. No, I can't. Oh, that was perfect. Okay, let's go. Please, please, please. Please, I don't want to go on another one. Please, I want this video to be over. Yeah! It's over, baby! Okay. Well, the next video, and like if you want to see part 4 where I get 25K, which I almost got it. Okay, well, see you in the next video.